Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're stepping into pure luxury. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Welcome to Apex Motorhomes, where luxury meets freedom on wheels. Today, you're about to step inside something unreal, an 8-story matte black American mansion on wheels packed with a grand lobby, private elevator, spiral staircase, luxury lounges, chef's kitchen, guest suites, a master penthouse, office, library, gym, spa, and a rooftop observation deck that feels like the sky belongs to you. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, a towering matte black masterpiece that doesn't just drive, it dominates the road. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a home on wheels. A vertical palace designed for those who believe limits are meant to be broken. From the outside, the matte black finish gives it a stealthy, powerful presence, absorbing light instead of reflecting it, making the entire structure look like a moving shadow of pure luxury. Its spiral-inspired architecture flows upward across 8 levels, with massive glass panels wrapping each floor, offering panoramic views while maintaining strength through advanced laminated technology. Step into the cockpit, and you're no longer just a driver, you're a pilot. The control system feels closer to aviation than automotive, with heads-up displays, AI-assisted navigation, and a 15-foot wide windshield giving you a cinematic view of the road. Multiple cameras eliminate blind spots entirely, while hydraulic steering makes handling this 80-ton giant feel surprisingly controlled. Now picture yourself entering the ground floor. Italian marble beneath your feet, soft leather walls, rare wood finishes, everything whispers exclusivity. A biometric security system ensures only you and your chosen guests can access this moving mansion. Hidden beneath this elegance is the powerhouse. Generators, suspension systems, and the beginning of a magnetic levitation elevator that glides silently between all 8 floors. As you rise to the second level, you're greeted by a living space that rivals luxury penthouses in New York or Los Angeles. Curved leather sofas, warm ambient lighting, and a 100-inch display that emerges from the floor create an environment built for both relaxation and entertainment. The smart glass windows shift from transparent to private instantly, giving you full control of your world. The third floor transforms into your personal culinary kingdom. Imagine preparing meals in a kitchen equipped with commercial-grade appliances, marble countertops, and a dining table crafted from a single slab of walnut seating 12 guests. A built-in wine wall stores hundreds of bottles at perfect temperature, ready for unforgettable evenings on the road. On the 4th level, your guests experience true luxury. 3 unique suites, each with king-size smart beds, private bathrooms, heated floors, and rainfall showers, ensure that anyone traveling with you feels like royalty. Every detail is designed to adapt to comfort, from automatic wardrobes to intelligent climate control. Then comes your private sanctuary, the 5th floor master suite. This is where the world disappears. A raised platform bed adjusts in real time for perfect support, surrounded by panoramic windows. Your bathroom feels like a 5-star spa, with a sculpted onyx tub, multi-sensory shower system, steam room, and heated floors that redefine relaxation. Up on the 6th floor, productivity meets luxury. Your office space features an executive desk, hidden tech integrations, and a fully equipped meeting room. Whether you're closing deals or hosting global calls, you're doing it in an environment that reflects power and precision. A private library surrounds you with knowledge, blending classic design with digital access. The 7th floor is all about your well-being. A full gym with advanced equipment, a spa with sauna and cold plunge, a massage room, and even a meditation space designed for total peace. Imagine finishing a workout while overlooking mountains or deserts, wherever you choose to go. Finally, you reach the crown jewel, the 8th floor observation deck. This is where luxury meets the horizon. A rooftop lounge, a fully equipped bar, and the option to open the roof into the sky. From here, every view becomes unforgettable, every moment becomes an experience. Powering this giant is a 2,000 horsepower engine paired with a 24-speed transmission, supported by adaptive suspension and multiple axles for balance. Solar panels, advanced climate systems, and precision engineering make sure every journey feels smooth, no matter the terrain. When I started Apex Motorhomes, my goal was simple: show you the best RV future possible. And this right here, this is that future. Yes, it's bold. Yes, it's extreme. But that's the point. This motorhome isn't built for practicality, it's built to prove what's possible. If you believe luxury RV living is more than just travel, it's freedom, then you're part of this journey. If you believe freedom should never compromise luxury, join the Apex Motorhomes family. Subscribe and let's explore the future together.